guys, I'm sorry for not uploading as much because work and other things were in mind. So I don't think you can hear me because my voice is so soft. Yeah, and about that, as my videos are so, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to work on something more of getting a webcam and installed, like one of those expensive ones on my computer. And what I'm trying to do is trying to, on days when I'm off, is trying to make videos, try to slide some videos each and every now and do whatever I can do just to make y'all happy. And I'm thankful for my subscribers, even though I'm not active on there, which I'm trying to be, in the coming weeks or so, since Memorial Day is coming and I have those days off, and I can give you a little special preview of what am I doing and how things were doing good for me. I might even do a stream or something, I don't know. Probably doing some doing some burp videos and stuff like that. And I don't know about the fart videos. A lot of people ask me that, and like I don't know. I don't know how to do it on command. And what 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 I was trying to say is that that you don't have to, but but you can also donate. Like I don't care. Like $1, $5, whatever. Like just donate to like Cash Me App or Venmo. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I think that's it. Those two, yeah. Or also PayPal, which I hardly use, but you still donate. And you just gonna go from there. Like if you want, let's say just throw in some cash or tip me, whatever. It's fine. It's not like I'm trying to force you on anything. But I do greatly appreciate it. And what I'm going to do now from here on is just trying to throw in some on-command burps for y'all and see if we can go from there. So I know I look rough. I just woke up 7 o'clock this morning and trying to go to work, trying to get ready for work, and just try to get ready for the weekend. Yay, weekend. So what I'm going to do now is going to show you those on-command burps, and there you go. I'm gonna give you a big one. That was weak. Come on. Oh God. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. That. Oh my god. Oh fuck. No. No. No, as for my like studying videos, I haven't got to that one yet. And I was just trying to actually do some more for you all. And it's been a while since I did one. And I was probably gonna do something for you all. Like around about Friday or so. Probably Friday. And since you all love it so much, I might as well do one for y'all. So just try me until Friday or maybe Saturday. You know, just wait for that video to come out and just be stuffing myself like crazy. So far, I haven't received any big ones. Ugh. Oh, fuck. Oh, so, I hate when those huge ones be just stuck right. They're stuck right here. It's like, try to get it out, but you can't. Oh my god. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. I actually felt like spit coming out of my mouth. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. It came out already. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright. I'll try to throw in a few more. And then after this, I need to get ready. Excuse me. This won't get out. I feel like vomit. Ew. I feel like all the water just came back inside my throat. And just one more for you guys. I hope it will be a big one, but hopefully. Oh, I feel like it just grilled in my mouth. And alright, one more. One. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. Oh man, is there any more? Stomach, is there any more? Is there any more you'd like to contribute? Oh my god. Well, this is the end of this video. And thank you all. Like I said, thank you all for your support. And thank you all for your comments, subscribers. Thank you all for still sticking with me, even though I haven't uploaded. And I might see you guys Friday or Saturday. Alright? Thank you. Bye.